Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. I wanted to take a quick look at this new Argentine grill. This is the 40 by 20. You can see it has fire bricks in the bottom. This style is built without the door on front. You can have the door put there, but it comes without it. Rack adjustment, it has a spring latch right there at the hand wheel. It comes with 5-inch wheels. It also comes with a shovel and a rake. Has clean out door in the bottom with the ashtray. These are awesome grills for live fire cooking. There's no doubt about it. It's one of the best ways you can go. The firebox on side is also removable. It just lifts out. I'll have my email in the description box. If you're looking for a grill like this or a smoker or anything like that, you can shoot me an email. This style also comes without the firebox. But again, I'll have my email in the description box. And you can shoot me an email if you're looking for a grill or a smoker. And if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.